Meaning of drainage.
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 Drainage. Drainage refers to the process of removing excess water, such as rainfall or sewage, from a particular area. The main purpose of drainage is to prevent flooding and water damage to buildings, roads, or other infrastructure. It allows for proper maintenance of agricultural fields, enables groundwater recharge, and prevents standing water which can breed insects and diseases. Effective drainage systems typically involve underground pipes, ditches, and surface channels that lead excess water away from the area. Proper drainage systems are essential for ensuring both human safety and environmental sustainability.